Hey guys, and welcome back to our Eralytics channel, where we're here to make quick videos with tips for you. Today we're going to be talking about our ERAFLASH S10 and the proper way to clean your sample cup. The ERAFLASH can measure so many different samples, from paint to diesel, cannabis oil, and even foods and flavors. Some of these samples shorten the life of your cups if not properly cleaned. So I'm going to show you how to quickly care for your cup to get the longest life.
Remove magnet using a ferro rod to secure your magnet. I like to use this. First, we need to take all our cups that we use sample. You can use a syringe to suck up all the excess sample in your cup. An alternative is to use a tissue to suck up all the excess as well. Make sure to dispose of this properly. Some samples require additional solvents. The majority of applications, what I described should be enough. Now make sure all of your cups are completely dry.
Wow, super easy, not messy, and under 1 minute. How great! Doing this at least once per day will ensure years of great results on your ERAFLASH S10. Thanks guys for watching our short, quick video. Please subscribe and like for more.
Check out these stainless steel cups. Now you're ready to put more sample.